Yo, I'm Eumonic, music makers of BandLab.
It's time to talk about Autotune.
Autotune, we're going to talk about that so you can make more music. Now to show you how easy it is to use Autotune in the BandLab mobile app, I'll just be using my phone and a pair of headphones. Of course, you could plug in an external microphone or an audio interface, which I covered in another video, but I just want to keep things simple and focus on the features of Autotune. First, create a new track by tapping the plus sign down at the bottom left, and then voice mic. Now that we have a voice track open, you can go to AutoPitch, aka Autotune, by tapping the button right above the red record button. And now there's 3 settings of intensity as far as Autotune goes, or the depth of how much it is applying that effect. Light, medium, and heavy, and of course off, just tap in the middle. And then under that is a slider to set the scale that it's in. This project that I have is in B major, so sliding it all the way to the right and finding B major, and then it has the relative minor of it as well, is what's going to work for me. I'm going to get my headphones on, and don't judge my lyrical content. This is just to showcase the awesomeness of the Autotune and the BandLab mobile app, and then turn on monitoring, which is the headphone symbol on the bottom left. And now I can hear myself. Alright, here we go. Yeah, BandLab on my phone. Yeah, I got some Autotune. An amazing rendition, an amazing song. Give me a break, I'm just having some fun. Let me turn the auto pitch back on, set it to heavy, and play you this amazingness.
Yeah, BandLab on my phone. Yeah, I got some Autotune.
The last thing I'll mention is that, of course, the auto pitch or auto tune is only available on the BandLab mobile app. But if you saved this project and opened it up on the web version, within that mix editor, that auto-tune track will be saved as a WAV file, and you'll be able to hear the auto-tune effects applied to it. So that's pretty awesome. Keep singing your hearts out. Yes! Hit that like button if this video helped you. Comment down below with any questions you have. Subscribe for more BandLab tutorials in the future and some music making fun. Now it's your turn. Go make more music. If you are watching this before the end of January 2020, there may still be time to enter my giveaway. BandLab has teamed up with me, which I'm extremely grateful for, to help you make more music. I've said it once, I'll say it again. I'm giving away 5 audio interfaces, 1 Link Digital, 2 Link Digital Duos, the 2 channel, and then 2 Link Analog Minis. They're all great audio interfaces, whether you're just getting started or a seasoned music maker. The link is in the description.